Hey everyone, welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name is Crystal and Dylan asked me to come on today to talk about some things regarding Uber and Lyft. Today we're going to talk about Uber drivers quitting, and we came up with 8 reasons why Uber and Lyft drivers are quitting. Before I get into this video, please hit the subscribe button down below. We would appreciate it so much. And also, if you want to see me more on the channel, please hit the like button. That would help me out. All right, let's go ahead and get into these reasons of why Uber and Lyft drivers are quitting. Number 1, there are hardly any rides to give right now. So as you know, we should all be social distancing and self-isolating. It's a really crazy time in our life right now. Nobody expected this, and it's just insane. It's really weird. So right now there aren't a lot of rides to give because people shouldn't really be going out. Most of our rides come from dropping off people at bars and restaurants and their events that they're attending. There's none of that going on right now. So unfortunately, there are not a lot of rides to give, and we kind of just need to chill on it. Number 2, Uber and Lyft are switching to... Number 2, drivers are switching to food delivery apps. So right now, if you were a rideshare driver, right now is a great time to make the switch to food delivery driver. If that's not your thing, then oh well. But if you need to make some extra cash, that's a great way to make some extra cash. No one wants to leave their house right now. No one wants to go to restaurants to pick up their food. No one wants to go to the grocery store to get all of the things that they need. Some people have to. However, for the people that just want to stay home, there are food delivery drivers that can pick up their food and then drop it off at their doorstep. So that's kind of nice to have the food delivery apps up and running. Number 3, drivers are filing for unemployment. So I personally have not started the process of filing for unemployment. I will get there because this is a really hard time being self-employed. So what I heard is if you are self-employed or if you are a private contractor, there may be some funds coming to us. So I would suggest hopping online and filing for unemployment, seeing if you qualify, especially for the people who depend on Uber and Lyft, because there's really no work for us right now. Number 4, drivers do not want to get sick. So no one wants to get sick right now. And the hard thing is if you pick somebody up, you can't quite tell if they're sick or not. So that's a risky thing about what is happening right now, is like you don't know who's sick. You don't know who can give you anything. You don't know if you yourself are sick if you're not feeling any symptoms. So it's just very, very difficult to... Right now, the number 1 thing that you should be doing is protecting yourself. So you want to protect yourself and not get sick. So I understand why drivers are quitting right now, because you just can't risk it. Number 5, one of my reasons, you don't want to get your family sick. So if I got sick, I may just survive that and I'd be maybe completely fine. But if I were to get my mother sick, who is over 60 years old, she might not be so lucky. So I definitely am not trying to get my family sick. So I won't be driving. That's a personal reason why I stopped driving. And that's why many people are driving. We really need to take others' health into consideration right now. It's not just about us. It's about everyone. Number 6, drivers just want to stay safe and relax with the rest of the world right now. So if you have the luxury to stay at home, if you have some savings stored, stay home right now. Right now is the time to do it because this thing is spreading so quickly. It's so fast and you won't even know that it hit you. Number 7, the apps aren't following through with their promise of paying drivers who got sick or who were ordered to stay at home. So for those people who went to the doctor and the doctor quarantined them and they said you must stay home for 14 days, apparently Uber and Lyft. I know Uber has sent out the notice that they would offer sick pay. Apparently they're not doing it, or they're not doing it quick enough, but that is really disappointing. Personally, that's really disappointing for me, because I felt like if I were quarantined or if I did get sick, that's disappointing for me to hear, because I felt like if I were quarantined, then I would have some money coming to me, because you absolutely cannot work. You cannot do that and put the public at risk like that. So it's a little disappointing to hear that they're not offering that, or that they're not actually following through on their word for that. So I understand why drivers are quitting. And last but not least, number 8, the hubs are not open. So hubs are closed. So drivers have nowhere to get the help that they need. So I know the hubs would offer free services or complimentary services. If that's not provided for certain people, I mean, there's no way for certain people to get their car checked out, or, the hubs are absolutely closed. There's no support for drivers right now, so it's understandable why drivers are quitting right now. They just don't have the support that they need. So there you have it. There are 8 reasons why drivers are quitting Uber and Lyft. There are 8 reasons why you should think about quitting Uber and Lyft right now. And most importantly, keep yourself safe and keep others safe, okay? All starts with us staying at home. So please stay at home as long as you can. All right, you guys. Well, thank you for watching. Once again, this is a Rideshare Hub, and my name is Crystal. Please hit the like button for me and subscribe to our channel. All right? Until next time, see you later.